All right, hey, I'm Matt Montag from CleanCore Solutions, and we're glad to be here at the Retailer Supply Show. What you missed if you weren't here is a new technology that we're really excited to be partnering with. It's called Aqueous Ozone. We've got two different product categories. We've got a traditional Janson where we use this equipment to clean your facility instead of using synthetic chemicals. Just put cold tap water in here. We run our ozone generator down in the base. It creates what's called aqueous ozone, great for hard surface cleaning, restroom cleaning, and carpet cleaning. But what's also really exciting is some new products we have. This particular one does the same thing. It's an aqueous ozone generating box that hooks up to your ice maker. And we're actually cleaning the water going into the ice machine. We kill all the pathogens, and that's the food source for mold and mildew to grow. So we'll be able to keep our ice makers clean. You'll have the best tasting, cleanest ice you've had, and you never have to clean your ice maker again. And in that same category, we've got a laundry equipment. We can hook this up to your commercial or residential laundry machines and use the power of ozone. Remember, it's an oxidizer stronger than bleach, but it's safe for humans. We can clean and probably reduce your chemistry spend in laundry of up to 90%. Best thing about it, it cuts your dry time on your laundry by up to 60%. So any of your retailer supply reps can talk to you about this products, the Janson, the cleaning products, or the ice, or the laundry machine. Thanks a lot.